If you're managing multiple accounts or need to switch profiles, this guide is just for you. Today, I'll show you how to change your account in the Shein app step by step. It's quick, easy, and super convenient. Let's dive in. First, launch the Shein app on your smartphone and make sure you're signed in. On the main screen, tap the Me icon located in the bottom right corner to open your profile. Once you're on your profile, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. It represents the Settings menu. Tap on it to access the app's settings. In the Settings menu, scroll through the options until you find Switch Accounts. Select it, and a new page will open, showing the accounts available for switching. If the account you want to use is listed, just tap on it, and it will immediately switch to that profile. If you don't see the account you're looking for, tap Add Account to log in with your email, phone number, and password. Don't have an account? No problem. Follow the prompts to sign up for a new one. After selecting or adding the desired account, you're all set. Switching accounts in the Shein app couldn't be simpler. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more shopping tips and app tutorials, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.